Before we even knew what it was, we were taught from a very young age not to ever encounter marijuana. However, what they don't educate people enough on are the medical benefits of cannabis that have been utilized for centuries, and I will be speaking about those benefits. Now, I've been a medical patient for 2 years, and I can tell you that I can see significant improvement on my mental health as well as pain relief. I will explain the 3 cannabis types along with their effects, their uses and benefits, and the main methods of consumption. Now, there are 3 main cannabis types, and these include sativa, indica, and a hybrid of the 2. Sativa can be described as sort of a head high, and the effects of this include bursts of energy, mood alleviation, as well as motivation. And indica is described more as a body high, and the effects of this include extreme relaxation, feeling physically heavy, as well as tired. And hybrid is a combination high, and the effects of this depends on the parent sativa and indica strains used to create it. So some can lean more sativa, some can lean more hybrid or more indica, and some can lean right in the middle. According to cnbs.org, there are many cannabis uses that are prescribed for various health conditions. Now, sativa is mainly prescribed for ADHD, depression, and eating disorders. Indica is prescribed for chronic pain, anxiety, panic attacks, insomnia, and muscle spasms. And hybrid strains have various uses depending on the parent strains. For example, the award-winning ICE hybrid strain treats PTSD, Tourette's syndrome, chemotherapy, and cancer treatment side effects, arthritis, and spinal cord injuries. According to Wholesome Co. Cannabis, there are 3 main ways of cannabis consumption. These include inhalation, tinctures, as well as topicals. Inhalation is done through smoking or vaping, and this is the most common way. The onset is within seconds, and patients receive immediate relief rather than wait for other medicine to kick in, such as pills. And this usually peaks within 30 minutes and goes away within 1 to 3 hours. Next is tinctures, and those are the little drops that you drop underneath your tongue. And the onset for this is usually 20 to 30 minutes. And this is beneficial to those who cannot inhale cannabis. And the duration of this is usually 3 to 4 hours. Topicals such as balms and lotions. Usually the onset for this is several minutes to 2 hours, depending on the kind. And this treats acute pain and localized inflammation, including bone fractures, arthritis, and joint pain, menstrual cramps, as well as skin conditions and migraines. These all come without any psychedelic effects, and these effects usually last 3 to 12 hours, depending on how strong it is. Now, I just spoke about the 3 types of cannabis with their effects, benefits, as well as the ways of consumption. Now, it is very important that people are educated on the medical benefits, as they are used to treat many different kinds of health conditions. Unknowingly, this little plant sure does have so many benefits that help a large amount of people amongst the population.